Hello, my name is Filiberto Aguirre. I am the famous artist of singing like Malumba Baby. I am a singing artist. I like to sing pop, romantic, and electric music. I have my campaign for low-income children in the care of Mexico, and I want to change their future of children having a better life, donating all my money so that they have a better future without living on the street and improving their lives. I would like to go to France, a beautiful place, since I am famous. I would like to go to Colombia and know what they do now. I would like to know Colombia and know what they do as their dancer. As a famous singer, I would like to have a better house. I want to help improve economy and know that poor people can live better helping them. I like to have a car of my life to know places that no one knows and spend time driving my car. I would sing at beautiful places in the world like United States, Paris, China, France, Los Angeles, Chile, Puebla, Morelos, Monterrey. Bring my family to know luxurious food from different countries, to celebrate and help people. Because of them, my career has grown as a famous singing artist. And being kind to them, helping low-income countries that someone is helping them from the bottom of their hearts. Have to be showing off to others. A famous person, you do play an important in life, knowing how you value other people. You help influence others to do better in life.